friends, welcome to Daily Sourdough. Today we're going to talk about scoring your bread. Sometimes you want your artisan bread to just have a beautiful scoring pattern and be picture perfect, and there are a couple of tricks on how to do that. First of all, start with cold bread. This loaf of bread has been fermenting in the refrigerator overnight. I just took it out of the fridge, so it's very cold and stiff. That will help you when you're scoring because your dough won't be moving around. It will give you a real crisp edge. So take your cold dough and tip it upside down onto parchment paper. The second trick is to use rice flour or gluten-free flour, which has a lot of rice flour in it, to brush over your cold dough. And I'm going to put a heavy dose on it and then spread it around. And I like to use rice flour or gluten-free flour because it's lighter. It's not as gummy as bread flour. So it makes a lighter coating on your bread. Now that it's covered completely with that flour, take a very sharp blade to make your pattern. And just get creative. You don't have to follow anybody's pattern. Do whatever pattern you like. But I'm going to make the sheaf of wheat pattern today. So take your blade and run it from one end to the other and score it deeper than you think you should. This will help the bread expand so that it will rise upward instead of outward. Now, make your beautiful pattern, whatever you choose to do. And score that one a little bit less deep than your original cut. And make the little individual grain pattern. And go slowly until you get the pattern that you like. And it can be intricate, it can be simple and individual. Since it's on parchment paper, now you can just easily lift this up and place it in your pot. And now the bread is just nestled in that parchment paper. Put your lid on and bake it as usual. Well, friends, have fun making beautiful artisan bread with lovely scoring patterns, and be sure to stay tuned to Daily Sourdough so that I can show you even more ways of using your sourdough starter daily.